Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Ajay Sharma. So in today's video, I will cover the topic maintenance, pendente, lite and expenses of proceedings section 24 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Section 24 of Hindu Marriage Act talks about maintenance, pendente, lite and expenses of proceedings. The meaning of pendente lite, basically pendente lite is a Latin term and the meaning of the pendente lite is pending the suit. Let's read out through the bare act. Where in any proceedings under this act it appears to the court that either the wife or the husband, as the case may be, has no independent income sufficient for her or his support and the necessary expenses of the proceedings, it may, on the application of the wife or the husband, order the respondent to pay to the petitioner the expenses of the proceeding and monthly during the proceedings such sum as, having regard to the petitioner's own income and the income of the respondent, it may seem to the court to be reasonable. The law says if a husband or a wife is involved in a court case under this act and one of them do not have any enough money to support themselves or to pay for the expenses of the cases, then they can apply to the court for help. The court can then order to the other partner to pay money for the expenses of the case and also to give a reasonable monthly amount during the case, provided that the application for the payment of the expenses of the proceeding and such monthly and some during proceeding and such monthly some during the proceeding shall as far as possible be disposed of within 60 days from the date of service of notice on the wife or the husband, as the case may be. So while deciding the amount, the court will look at the income of the both husband and wife. And one more important point, the application for such expenses should be decided by the court within the 60 days from the date of notice is given. So in short, if one partner has no income, then they can ask to the court for the money and for the expenses of the court and monthly support. The court will decide a fair amount and according to this section, decision should be made within the 60 days. Now talks about the essential element of this section. First, either the wife or the husband can apply for the maintenance. Second, the person applying must show that they have no independent income to support themselves or to pay for the case's expenses. And third, if this is proved, the court can order to the other partner known as the respondent to pay expenses of the proceeding, a lump sum amount for the legal case and monthly maintenance, a regular sum of money given during the whole case. And the fourth, the court will decide the amount after checking the income of the applicant, petitioner and the income of the respondent, both the petitioner and respondent. Fifth, it's very important. The law says that the court should try to decide such application within the 60 days from the date of the notice is given to the other party. This means the proceeding should be quick. Basically, these are the essential elements of the section 24. Thanks for watching guys. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye guys. See you in the next video.